If you're great, they gon' hate. Ha! Yeah! What's good, PB gang? It's your boy poppyblasted coming at y'all with another video.
Nigga, what you mean another video? You ain't did a video on years. You heard me. Where you been at?
It's been years now. Bro, is it? That's how you do?
Hey, you act dumb.
I knew that was you, bro. I knew it was you. You know what I'm saying? I knew that. I know that voice, bro. It's been a minute though, man.
No, I haven't. I've been around.
It's been years. It's been years, and you still talking shit.
Yeah, of course. You know that's what I do. Shit, I'm Ezel.
I get to you later.
Yeah, whatever.
Anyways, man,
whatever.
PB gang, what's up with y'all, man? It's been a minute, bro. I know my last video. I think my last video was the house tour. No, actually, it was showing the brushes, my flawless brushes, because y'all know I came out with some brushes. They stupid fire, they doing very good, man. I love these brushes, bro. You know where you can get it from, man. poppyblasted.com. All your hair care, man, it's all there. Anyways, man, my last video was that, but before that, I did a house tour, and I told y'all, because I bought a house, you know what I'm saying? I told y'all, man, I'm happy. We about to, you know what I'm saying? We about to start getting back in the groove of making videos, about to do all that. I'm back, officially back. Bro, when I tell you, the transition was crazy. It was crazy, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie, man. I thought I was gonna come back right away. I don't know what I was thinking, man. You know, when you move and you gotta get settled in, you know what I'm saying? I'm thinking I'm moving, and within the next week, I'm back filming, I'm doing everything. No. Hey, it's so much, bro. It's so much to happen, bro, within that little bit of time. I moved in, you know what I'm saying? I was thinking that I had new furniture already and everything, right? So I was thinking that I was gonna be good, you know what I'm saying, with the furniture I already had, you feel me? I thought I was settled in with my furniture I already had, but I was like, no. I actually needed new stuff, you feel me? So I bought a lot of new things for my house, you feel me? I'll probably give y'all an updated house tour, furnished house tour probably. It was just a lot, you feel me? Like, it's just, I thought I was good and I had to buy other extra stuff, and it was just a lot of stuff that came up at one time. So the transition crazy. The transition is still crazy. I got the drip lab where I work at now, built all that. It was just a lot I had to do, so I couldn't just come right back to YouTube. But I'm always active on Instagram, bro. I'm always active on Instagram, and I'm back active on TikTok too. So you know what I'm saying? Them links right there, y'all go follow, bro. I mean, come on, man. If I'm not on here, I'm over there, man. Come on, man. PBG, what's up with y'all, man? I'm playing. Anyways, bro, this video right here, pretty much, I'm talking to y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all like my update of my hair. It's been a minute. I've been back brushing now for about a month. I'm going back crazy. I'm getting my sessions in. Y'all know we brush by the hour. We don't really care about how many sessions we get in. It's about time. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know we back to the basics about time. Okay, so what we doing is I'm gonna show y'all pretty much updating my hair. I got a haircut yesterday. Go fade, y'all know what the go fade look like. If y'all don't know, man, Google it. I'ma come up. It's my signature haircut, the go fade. It's my shit. Anyways, man, I'm about to update y'all right now and show y'all what I'm looking like, man. And we gonna, you know what I'm saying? We gonna rock from there, bro. So just chop it up with y'all. We gonna just do this natural, all right? So let's go, man. Let's unrag. Y'all know y'all can get this durag at, man. poppyblasted.com. We got the rags. We got it all there, man. Anyways, so let me show y'all, man. Show y'all what we working with. I know y'all ain't saw my hair in a long time. Don't be talking shit, man. Don't be talking shit. You know what I mean? Just stall me out, bro. Let me just show y'all. Stall me out, man. You know what I mean? That's what we rocking with. You know what I'm saying? Go fade. I definitely need more work. It's been a minute. I need more work. Definitely. I'm back brushing though. It's been about a month now that I'm back brushing heavy. So, you know, it take a little bit of time, man. Y'all know waves, man. They don't come overnight. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know when you gotta work for your waves. Just like anything else in life, man. You gotta work hard for it if you really want it. So I'm giving y'all a full 360 spin around. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can see what I'm working with. Your boy Rope God, man. It's been a minute, but we back though. We back. You know, it look pretty good though, man. Like I said, I've been putting in work, bro. I mean, I've been brushing more. You know what I'm saying? I've been getting in. Normally before, like within my day, because you know I work all the time. I'm always steadily working. So after that, pretty much what I'll do is like later on in the day, like at night before I go to sleep, I'll get like a 1 hour session in. You know what I'm saying? Because during the day I'm working too much, so it's like I don't really got time to brush like that all the time. But I've been making time for it. Ain't no excuse, bro. This is where I originally came from. You know, I pretty much, my waves ain't like how I was years ago. But let's put it like this. I put it like this. I sacrificed my waves to get where I'm at right now. That's how I see it, man. I sacrificed my hair to get where I'm at right now. If my hair didn't look like the way it looked before, and how it look now, I wouldn't be in the situation I'm in now, which is successful. We still pushing, we still grinding for more, you know what I'm saying? We never stopping, we gonna keep pushing, we gonna still keep leveling up. But I would not be where I'm at if my waves didn't look like how it look right now. And back then, if it didn't look like how it looked, I wouldn't be able to, you know, drop my business. You could do whatever you want. Your hair looking trash, whatever, you could do whatever you want. But I'm saying, like, you know, it pushed me more, it made me a better person, it made me, you know what I'm saying, made you guys like me more, not just for my personality, but for my hair too. Everything going, you know, hand in hand. So I feel like everything happened for a reason, and I sacrificed my waves to grow my business. And now I'm back brushing, you know what I'm saying? So we back brushing. So that's the update, you know. That's how we looking. What y'all think, man? Come on, comment below, man. Don't be, hey, comment below. Make sure, as a matter of fact, everybody comment below right now. If you in the game, if you in the building gang, PB gang, comment below right now. Say hashtag PB gang, we in here. We in here. PB gang, we here. You feel me? Cause nigga, it's been a minute, man. I wanna make sure the gang's still here. I know I've been like slacking on y'all, man. I'm sorry. You know what I'm saying? But we back officially now, man. We back officially now. There's no excuses. There's no excuses. You know what I'm saying? And to be honest, man, it wasn't no excuse. Like I said, I just be so busy, bro. And I'm always saying that every time I come back, I always tell you guys, I'll be back. I'm back now officially. I'll make a couple of videos and leave. So it kind of makes me salty that I do that, but I'll also explain to you guys and not leaving you guys hanging on what's going on, because it all started from here. At the end of the day, it all started from here. If it wasn't for you guys, I would not be where I'm at now. So I always got to explain to you guys that, and I always want to keep y'all updated and on everything what's going on with me. You know what I'm saying? Because it's been a minute, you know, but shit always be coming up, man. You feel me? But anyways, I'm back officially this time. I know I always say it, but I'm gonna try to drop at least 2 or 3 videos a week, and we gonna keep pushing, bro. We not gonna stop. We gonna keep pushing. We gonna keep pushing. All right. You already know where to get the hair care from, man. peopletogmerch.com. Y'all know y'all can like, comment, subscribe. Make sure if you're new tuning in, or even if you're not new tuning in, if you OG PB gang, just make sure that bell is highlighted. Just make sure right now. You know, it's free to do that. You feel me? Make sure the bell is highlighted. Just look right now. Make sure it's highlighted. That way you will when I drop a video, you will get all the notifications, and you will know, you will see, you will get notified. Boom. Okay, let me watch PB video. I feel me? Like I see it on let me watch it. I got the notification. And if you're new tuning in, do it right now. Don't just subscribe and hit the notification. This is 2 things you gotta do. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on nothing I drop, okay? Also, comment below and like the video now. Like it. Thank you. I appreciate y'all. All that stuff is free. Only thing ain't free is when you buy the products. Anyways, I'm gonna do reviews. I'm gonna start doing reviews. I'm gonna get back also. Let me know what y'all want me to do. Y'all want me to start doing like rating waves and stuff? Y'all want me to start doing reactions more? I think I'm gonna get back in the groove of doing that too. More reactions, rating people, rating waves. You feel me? We're gonna start doing tutorials. We're going back to the basics. We're gonna teach the people that really don't know, you know what I'm saying, that's new to the channel and everything. We're gonna start from the basics, how to get 360 waves. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do reviews of my products, because to be honest, it's hella reviews out there on my products from customers, but I don't got none of me. I ain't did no reviews yet. So it's time for me to do some reviews of my own stuff, you feel me? But it's good that, you know, you guys are doing reviews on my products, and I'm thankful for that. But I'm gonna start doing reviews. I'm gonna start doing updates on what I'm using, everything, man. We're gonna start really, you know what I'm saying? This right here is the hard though. Look at them bristles though. It's crazy, right? Ain't no brush like that. Look at that grip. Look at that firm grip. Anyways, stay tuned, man. The next video, we about to get a brush session in. So y'all better pull out y'all brush. Even if it ain't the PB brush, it's all good. We can pull out that brush. We about to get cracking. All right, y'all. So back to Ezell, bro.
Yeah, what up?
Let me ask you what you been up to though, man. It's been a minute, bro. What you been up to, Ezell?
Being the crackhead that I am, chilling with my smoker friends. Nah, I've been doing a little bit better though. I've been out the streets.
Oh, okay, that's it. That's it, That's cause you a smoker, bro. You a smoker.
Nah, I told you I changed a little bit.
Anyways, man, I'm gonna get back to you, bro. I'm gonna get back to you one of these other days, man. But it's been a minute. I ain't talked to you in a minute, man. I'm glad you're doing well, I guess. But back to PB Gang. Anyways, man, I love you guys. That's pretty much my 360 wave update. You know what I'm saying? We back brushing. We back dropping videos. We are back, gang, man. We are back, all right? If you're great, they gon' hate. Ha! Yeah! Pick up that brush, man. Let's get cracking. Love y'all. If you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah!
Gang.